Alright, hey everyone, I'm here with the layout. Sorry for the shadow. This is probably at the moment where maybe I didn't put on the light. I don't know. But anyway, while I'm the only one in the house, I'm going to try to do these voiceovers so I don't have to try to talk quietly. Yeah, I just got back from 8-mile bike ride around the lake, and I'm going to have my banana strawberry protein smoothie for breakfast. And I'm going to try to get these voiceovers done and then vacuum. Okay. So the background is Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt. This is my 8th layout. I've got up to 10 and still have more scraps of paper. And these hearts are Hip Kit Club's cut file. But what I did is I filled it with digital paper. And I want to say that this is a Maggie Holmes collection. It might be Bloom. And I used Be My Valentine, which is also the Hip Kit Club's cut file. But I thought it was, I didn't realize I already have another layout that's Be My Valentine. So I now have 2. No biggie. And so now I'm going to try to use some, when I get down to like the nitty gritty of a kit, especially with like embellishments, I get to where I struggle more with embellishing. And then I'm not really happy with it. So like these last 3 layouts, I'm like okay with them. While I was doing them or after I was done doing them, I was like, ugh, don't like it at all. But then when I set it to the side and I see it later, then I tend to think it's not as bad. But anyway. So I'm going to use die cuts that are Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt. Your die cut pack. And I just got June's yesterday, which would have been June 21st. Whew. I actually slept till, I went to bed around 8:30, I think. I drank a sleepy time tea, and a melatonin, Unisom, and did not wake up until 6. I was like, no. Usually 4 o'clock, Patton's in there trying to wake me up, so I'm surprised. And he's usually persistent, like he will come over and put his paw with his claws on my face to wake me up. And I see the inspectors here for the roof, so if you hear banging, that's why. Hope it passes inspection. Anyway, so there's some stickers I use as embellishments. That is the chipboard stickers from Simple Stories Hello Today, which is that circle. Sorry. It says yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Wow. Ugh. Woo. I'm not sure if I should continue to spray weeds in my backyard or no, because I got some of it done. I got a good chunk of it to do though. So it looks like it could rain, but I don't know. Anyway. Sorry, now my nose is running. There's going to be scattered showers. Let me look. Oh, and then, because I already have my title down, that completes my layout. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.